Hi guys, Aris, Hardware Bastards. I have this oscilloscope having a problem. Since it is outside the warranty period, I thought to take a look. Okay. RIGOL or RIGOL, I don't know, RIGOL DS7014, the model. It's a quite good scope, accurate enough. The thing I'm gonna try now is to switch on the scope as it is. Don't do that at home, guys. It's not safe. I hope the power key works at least. Okay, Eddie.
Oh, there's a light over there.
Don't follow the light, Eddie.
Okay.
It opened. There's another light here, Eddie. Don't follow that light either. Stay away from the white light, Eddie.
It's not a white light. Another one.
It will be full of lights. I don't hear that damn sound. Yeah, found it.
Which one was it?
This one.
How can you be so sure? Κάτσε, λοιπόν, που θέλει βίντεο. Φέρτε ένα ψαράδο, παιδιά, να τρίξει το φωνή.
Pourquoi Poudy? This is the ADC and this is a chipset. The noise is coming from either the ADC or the chipset. Obviously from the ADC. I don't know why, but it has a sort of a relay, the ADC. So I'm gonna measure now the temperatures because as I see, it gets too hot. The problem is I cannot remove these heatsinks without damaging something. They are glued. Let's see. Dave from Eve blog measured 8 degrees here. It's quite high. I suspect that it gets too hot and started to make that noise. And we can do an experiment, you know. Try to cool it down. Once it starts.
Why?
To see if it will stop, if it is the problem of high temperature. You see no sound now. Nothing. Yet. Leave it, let's see. The real question here is who is going to assemble back the scope? Nah, this guy.
Well, if you're gonna buy a new one, you're not gonna assemble it.
No, I'm gonna assemble that.
If you're gonna send it to the
repair center.
You're not gonna assemble it.
Yes, I'm gonna assemble it. I cannot send a bag of screws and PCBs there.
Yes, we can.
Nah. Dave measured 85.
But it wasn't normal.
No, it was normal. He had this scope some years ago. He measured 85 degrees here. And the fan pushes the air inside. I don't know how efficient it is, the fan like that. But yeah, they do that to blow the air on all of the PCB and extract it from here. Here, a PFC, main FETs, main transformer, 5 VSB, secondary side. If I don't find the cause, I cannot trust it. It was way better for me to find something burnt or something problematic. Now I don't know what it is exactly. So I cannot use it. It's unreliable for me. When something gets fixed on its own,
you don't like it?
Yeah, expect it to fail again very, very soon. This belonged to our oldest chroma station. This was bought in 2019 and the warranty was 3 years old. It expired in 2022. So for 2 years now it is out of warranty. 1 and something.
80.
80, yeah. Still nothing. Super, super weird. Okay, I'm gonna shut it down. I'm gonna close it Let's wait till it goes 25 and see. I don't see the temperature stabilizing, but yeah, that's normal because I don't have the cooling fan. So, let's shut it down. Cool it down fast. Okay, the plan now is I will put it back together. If it continues to make that noise, obviously I cannot do anything about that, guys. It's the ADC. If it was one of the mini relays here, this wouldn't be a problem for me to replace them. They are very easy to replace and I can find them on Mouser. But about the ADC, that's beyond our capabilities as a lab here. You cannot change that or do anything about that here. I don't even dare to remove the heatsink because it's glued, stuck. And if I make some damage to the IC, then I will have to pay way more in the service. So I won't touch it, I will just put it back together and hopefully it will work, or if it doesn't work, I will send it to RIGOL for service. So, the next video. Bye bye.